Okay, so now we assembled the swing style front fork on this frame for the reproduction home build with the motorbike. Now we assembled. So put some grease smell on the bearing and put the bearing into the post. Okay. Put the cap to fix the front fork. So put the spring on the fork and then put the bracket to fix the spring with the nut. Okay. So now front fork already on the, and then turn the long bolt of the spring for the spring to the bracket. Like this. In order to make sure the front fork, the spring of the front fork won't be loose, so in the end of the bolt we put another a nut to fix the to tie the bracket. Okay, so the complete front fork assemble on the frame like this. So the next step, we will put the front wheel, assemble the front wheel to the bike. Thank you.